to decide how do you want to be. Do you want to be more calm? Do you want to be more relaxed? Do you want to be more focused, more in control? Decide that. And then recall a time when you were that way, when you were calm, when you were relaxed, when you were focused. Relive that moment in your mind as best as you can. See what you were seeing, hear what you were hearing, feel the way you were feeling. And in your mind, in your imagination, step into that experience. And once you are there, place your hand, any of your hands on your chest, or maybe join your thumb and your third finger, and this will become a trigger for you. Now, you may repeat the above step of recalling and reliving that experience and placing your hand on your chest and then setting this anchor again. And you do this several times until you find that just by joining your third finger and your thumb or placing your hand on your chest gives you a feeling of calmness, those feelings of relaxation back. Now,